Hey guys, well, Leslie here from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my special Q&A series on YouTube. Today I answer the question, what is the best currency to take to Jamaica? Yes, the best currency to take to Jamaica. Alright, so just before I respond to you, I should let you know that this and all my Q&A are already answered on my website in full detail. There's a link in the description below to that. So drum roll, ladies and gentlemen, for the best currency to take to Jamaica. The best currency to take to Jamaica is, yes, good old Uncle Sam, the US dollar. So yes, the Jamaican dollar is our local currency, but the US dollar is still highly popular here. In fact, all the key players in the industry, the hotels, the resorts, the attractions, the restaurants, you name it, usually price their goods in US dollars. And it's good for both cash and non-cash transactions. So if you have debit or credit cards, it's good here as well. Above that, many of the local ATMs allow you to withdraw American dollars through the multi-link network as well. Now, the British pound, the Canadian dollar, the euro are still quite popular here as well, but US dollar is king. All right? I would say to you, when you're coming here, I highly recommend that you exchange some of your foreign currency into Jamaican dollar for very good reason. I have explained that in detail on my website as well, and there's a link in the description below explaining the reason for that. If this was helpful to you, give it a like and share it with someone who you think might need this information. I'd love to hear from you. Drop me a line in the comments below as well. And if this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay updated with all my latest videos.